Welcome back to a brand new movie called The Weekend. So people, I just want to know watch a movie at the end. Tell a friend for tell a friend say True World TV drop out a bad movie called The Weekend. I know I'm going to enjoy it and I know I'm going to ask part 2. You understand? So I just share movie people and I can't get part 2. But please do remember, the donation we're asking towards the whole Panama trip. You understand? So as I say, if you have an actor or an actress with a like to be in Panama City that want help out towards them flight, the number will always be on the screen. You can just contact the number. So if you would like to make Tibi be in Panama, Tia, Coloring Book, Puppy Dan, Chelsea, Alia, any actor or actress, Toga, just link the number on the screen. Understand? No matter, a small donation toward the trip, we really appreciate it. So big up on yourself and watch the movie at the end.
The Weekend, everyone thinking they would have a nice time at the Blue Crane Escape. But chop, it's so creepy, American Dawn left us make we weekend. So sad, Blue Crane Escape is a nice place, but Omar is so wicked. Kim wanted to tell Marika, but she refused to listen. As he debuted town, Barbie on, but him refused to listen. Tia and Aaliyah never listened. Either it was a terrible weekend.
What no?
I was looking for the shit and we wake up. And never did I see.
I'm a blackout man, but you go hurry. Rum.
Puppy and Tia, Alia reached out to me. So, you make up your mind yet?
Make up mind for the one.
We have to figure up on the weekend.
I would have seen something we talk about. Alright, you want me to say, sit down, come now you feel uncomfortable and tell you about baby girl, you trust me?
Of course, I trust you.
Alright, so what I'm going to tell you right now, you have to understand, there's something where literally no. I don't know, I think say boy is a possibility say like me I say boy negative and rated. I know you feel like say boy when I talk about this long time and we plan about it and say we go on the weekend which is gonna be the greatest experience of our lives.
Get to the point.
I feel like the place I wanna choose. I wanna spend the weekend at the Blue Crane Escape. Yo. Alright, it's a place you know. What me just say a while ago. The Blue Crane Escape is a place where I can tell you say nice, clean, official, you know what I mean? Pool there, one bar there in front, you know what I mean? Them have nice chairs and the hospitality great. But me I hear say a couple years ago, people are getting missing in that place, baby girl.
Yeah, you see, every time we figure somewhere, you always find an excuse to not go. Oh, me never hear about that. I first hear about that.
Listen what I say, man. I understand, say, yo. People are getting missing and can't find them up until today. That me I talk about. We really want to go somewhere and then we get missing. You must be mad to beef, but listen me. Understand, say me want the best for we enjoy ourselves. Tell Puppy and Tia. See? Say we can go, but somewhere else. Not this up. You hear me I say?
But we done book
no, but you can't cancel. You hear me I say? Me go deal with one little I check it out and see if we can get one different place. You understand me I say? Cause we have to, we don't plan to enjoy ourselves.
We can't know. But
what? Babe,
but we not say we friend them
safe, yeah,
for much years. Yeah. And now we finally get a chance to go spend a good time with them. We are cancel it and go spend time with each other where we always spend time with each other.
Listen, we had some good times in college and we want to get back everything up to standard. See? But listen what I say. Safety comes first.
I know that.
So if you know, so this something I said then no?
Then we're gonna stick together so nothing no go wrong.
So not that me I said, but we are go somewhere else, not that place.
No, that's how we are go.
Babe, listen to me now and take me, alright, take me foolish advice. Say, me don't want to say me feel no negative vibes, I want to put a negative thing
You always
for a thing,
feel
but...
negative vibes. When I'm not dream, I dream see this, you know, feel the vibes good there, so something happen.
Oh, why man, I'm your man, right? I'm your man, and you're a woman. Listen to me, man, not have a fool. You trust me, me ask you again. You trust me, or you not trust me? Go me ask you from sit down, yes, I'm say, if you trust me, you say yes. Trust me then, man.
Go on where you
me go check out one place, because I'm bridging.
Yeah.
You hear me I say?
Me I hear.
Make sure you hear me I say. Yo, alright, hear me I say, babe. We're not supposed to have no argument in my time. Because we're going to enjoy ourselves. You understand me I say? But not the blue crane escape. Babe, trust me, man. See? And you couldn't even do here. You're just so excited. What game? We not give money. What is there? And the money.
$100 this
Soon
one.
come here. Soon fall. Soon. Just soon I relax. Soon fall. See? Trust me, man. I left my phone a while. I have good things to me. Love you, girl.
I love you too.
I can't believe that they really finally come. We will really link up to spend the weekend.
I'll
How often you at the Blue Crane Escape?
Young girl, put on weight, girl.
Are you put on weight? I'll pop it down.
What say?
A big mama this.
So what on there? No, get no picnic yet.
Of course, get one little daughter.
So what about you?
Girl, me not no picnic. Me can't
Why?
manage. I just no time and guess what? You see this a weekend, yeah? I gotta be the bomb. You know, my girl don't call me because me have one dirty boy me that chat to me. I feel left him. So this a weekend yeah, is a getaway for me.
So why you never
Maybe.
carry your youth?
Me could carry them with me at a weekend to get away.
Then,
When
that
more,
mean you have around 2 youth?
yeah, two picnic me get one boy and one girl. But here I don't know, you know, so me can't get no picnic on this trip. I can't no slack and home no stay. And then my husband I get the time off for work. I'm husband now.
Well,
yes.
to be honest, you see remember you know, when we call you and tell you about the Blue Crane Escape, you know, I scroll on the line and like to book somewhere, you know, and I see this place at Somerset Lane, West End Nigger. And I say, no, it looks so good. And I say, yo, we have to go there because the place is so fantastic. Pool, the rooms.
I'm glad because I left college.
No, America not really
Sorry.
check. She have a good time. From 12 o'clock to check in.
Who's it?
I'm mushy.
I'm off America.
Who is that?
Yeah, there.
Are you guys ready
So
to spend the
like
weekend?
wait, what public?
Yeah, where's public?
He's gonna be a little bit late.
Okay, friend of mine
So-
come, that's no problem.
Yeah, just start off with me.
We plan already because we put the bag in the
Everything
car
in the car,
already.
oh, where we
Go
plan.
at the Blue Crane Escape.
The weekend, yeah? Madam.
Festivities.
Here we are going now. It's a
Festivities.
Chelsea and Timmy, then it's supposed to come. But them boss never get to shift.
So
Then
they
shift
not
where
come?
they can forward. No, I don't think them all get for reach at
Well-
this, but we are going to plan something else. Let's go.
When you ready?
Of course.
The blue.
1, 2, 3.
The
Blue Crane Escape. Here we go.
Water.
We're ready to the weekend. We're ready to the weekend. Yeah, come on.
Boy, I can't wait.
Excitement. You're gonna top off my dirty style now. Jump.
I can't believe.
Hey, me say, you know, I'm excited more. The
I
pool.
pulled me one
I didn't want that in a long time.
Da da dee da da. Da da dee da
General.
da.
Yes, sir. No, say tell you the truth.
Are you okay?
Yeah, man, you know, say Blue Crane escape nice and everything, but boy.
What's the problem?
Yeah, man, I have to go check out cause 3 days now, I don't hear from my girlfriend certain way and they are worry certain way. I mean, I like where I go. Nice place and something, man, but I don't love if you could come check your place and see if everything good to your deal. You see me same way you give me more, make sure say
so
it left
excuse
same
me.
way. Yeah, me
Slow down. You don't find your girlfriend as yet?
No, I can't find her. I want to go and go see if she there yard or something. I don't know where she there.
So you go to the police station. What information the police?
I don't go to the police station. I want to find her. I want to go to my yard first before I talk about police. I want to make sure that she there home before I even think about go to station. Because I don't understand what really I go on.
Alright, calm down, sir. Calm down. Cause I check all about. I need to call some friend in the community and no one said they don't see her. So listen. Just go on inside, I'm going to come inside and just check off and see that everything is okay.
Oh God. Say come like, alright, you should.
Alright, Lane.
I'm not sure.
Check it.
Yeah, man, see that. Come on, Lane.
No man, but my GPS has the problem.
No, my GPS at work. Yeah, man.
Come in, man. Rain, man. I have some, man. Come in.
Are you sure?
Yes, straight down.
Straight down?
Yes. See arrow point straight down.
Tell her no say right.
And then you turn right.
Alright, Lane, no depend. Tell her no.
And then you can leave.
Alright, bossy.
Alright, blessed. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da.
This a girl, yeah.
Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da.
General,
sir.
are you about saying big laugh in there?
No, sir. It was me.
So you do the hammer and something there?
I'm just doing a little cleaning up.
Oh.
Lead the way.
Alright, my general. Run yes or no?
Da da dee da da.
Last night, me there so I don't know how much. Check your place. Alright, my G.
Da da dee da da.
Alright, no, me can't cut her now, not true?
1 second, sir, please.
They're on a hurry, you know. So that necessary, my G.
Da da dee da da. 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 Sir?
I hit that down.
Yeah, man, the place.
Yeah.
It's okay, but one more thing. I would really like that if you could find or get some information about your girlfriend.
No, man.
It's the first time someone come at the Blue Crane escape and someone missing her. Sir, one more thing. I just want to check the last thing. It's the bathroom. Can you? We're going to check on the bathroom.
So me have to go in there to do?
Yes, sir.
Jaja. See them in general. See them in general in the place active in right now. I want to light, because not even water in the place right now here in the bossy.
Current gone. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da.
General, what go on? Good evening.
Afternoon.
Blessed man. Me see the sign out there so say yes the way to the Blue Crane escape. But me just sure say the right track me depon.
Yeah man, alright shot man. Alright, up president just make a right turn. Blue Crane escape.
Alright then my general.
Me no mean for you in your business and what me couldn't want to go up there so?
You know so if you tell you the truth, we hear about it online and we want to spend the weekend because we are people where they are college but from left college link up like that again, you know?
My general, with all due respect, you see rain a fall and I turn up in the rain to tell you like you're serious word of advice. Just like how now some college student as you say.
Yeah.
Me no think the Blue Crane escape is a place we wanna go.
Father, no disrespect, respect for you tell me about the direction, but you can't tell me where to go and where not to go. And the Blue Crane escape me I go, and that's what mean for me and my people them go, right?
Right, let me buy.
Okay,
Hello, what on now?
Thanks for your information, but we wait.
You see when people go up there, so especially college students, if they can't find back.
We know
and
since
I
our left
report
college.
news.
Well, as me say, respect for direction, but I thank you, bye.
Alright.
What am I tell we say?
Alright.
What am I tell we say? Crap.
I understand what you
Yeah,
say.
mad smarty man now. Where we are going there, so we are go Blue Crane escape.
I want them, you know. You know, see how me I want them. The last set of college pick me up one, but up there so up to now, I can't find them back. Nobody know where they in there. Foolish dog bark off a flying bird, that's all I can say.
Da da dee da da. 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 Very soon, fresh guests from college soon arrive. More kids. I'm gonna chop them up fine. Mince them up like a skeleton on time. Welcome to the Blue Crane escape. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da.
Hi, you rain done in right time. See place, sir? You look beautiful, just like how you look on the phone, you know. But other side name Blue Crane escape. God know, nice man. Yeah, General, blessed evening.
Blessed sir.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God.
Blessed man. I mean, the team come in, man. The college team, you know.
Yeah. Welcome.
I'm
Welcome.
Popedan, man, you know.
Yeah, man.
And you have Alia here. You have Tia, you have Marika. You know, she kind of no feel so well.
Alia.
Because she
Nice.
not used to the
Yeah,
long
man, nice to
driving,
meet
so
you.
she just kind of feel
Yeah,
like
man.
a car sick.
So you guys,
She
you
not
are
used
the
to the
one
long
that
driving, man.
you are the guys that reach out to me on the phone.
Yeah, man.
That you want to spend the weekend at the Blue Crane
Right, the
Escape.
weekend.
Okay.
Push,
Oh my God.
So this is Marika. She kind of not feel too good. So she was the one that booked the room 3, and I was
Yeah,
the
the
one
room
that
3,
booked
I
room 2,
just clean out
and
the room
also
3.
room 5.
I want to tell you, look, oh, blood that escape in room 3. I'm just kidding.
Blood?
I'm just kidding.
Oh my God, I'm so scared for a minute.
So Marika, you don't feel good, right? So listen, I'm just gonna take you to room 3. You can rest. AC, fridge.
Hold on, 1 minute. 1 minute.
I'm ready to take out my object, you know.
Yeah, but
Oh my God, oh my God.
yeah, this is Marika. Like he's taking Marika to room
Marika?
3.
So she good, right?
Take your time. Just a minute, please.
She's in good
All right,
hands.
Marika.
And one more thing,
Go check
welcome
your room and then
to the
come.
Blue Crane Escape. Come on, let's go.
We talk about it so good.
Just 1 minute, please.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, take your time. Take your time.
All right, here we are. So we'll go look for. Is room 2 open?
Yeah, man, go ahead. It's open. Yeah, I'll soon be back. Okay.
We soon move car. We'll just go look for the room.
good here?
Yes, it's okay right there. It's okay.
I've got to check
It's
for Marika.
beautiful.
We don't open the room here.
Yeah, me
All right.
Right here. The place is very nice, right? You're not feeling well. It's okay. Maybe the journey,
Yeah, but
the
not
drive. Hold on. Take your time. You just go up. Take your time. Alright? Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And what's your name?
America.
Okay.
So here we're going to know. Because me not tell line, this a kitchen and nice, you know?
Nice, man.
Backside all the sofa, you know, so this a sofa here. We not have to bother rent the other room. Remember we did say we did one room 5.
Oh, yeah.
Cause look now, look here. Remember, you know, you have 1 bedroom here.
Yeah, me know. Me see.
And then you have one other one here. So what can go on now, Tia? It's like how
No want this
you,
room,
me, you, my friend, my bestie, big and fat, you take that bed. Ali, I can take this bed.
My name is Coloring Book. Go to sleep.
And me can pull out the sofa and sleep on the sofa and Marika for your room. The place look nice, man.
Me like the bed there.
The Blue Crane Escape
so me
looks so
bother
fabulous, eh?
Me not bother
Yeah, it's big. That's why you take a bed for yourself, for your roll. If you want to drop off, you drop off.
But me not like place nice.
Yeah, look, so me can't wait for look about something. Because I know
Hey.
me old chef in here.
But you never hear Marika say in a car.
Rock my baby. When you wake up, you're not in heaven. You're in.
No, come here. You never hear Marika say in a car.
What?
Marika say public, our man, Kemar, a corrupar. If you know come at the Blue Crane Escape.
Me not
Why you not
understand
do
why
that?
would I do that still no? Because all we are friends from college. So why would I do that?
And that me have to remember, you know, we left college, you know. And then when we left college, we link up sometime. But this is the official link up where we build on the weekend.
Exactly.
Remember say for school days, you know, camera kind of have this little dirty corrupt ways now, you know. Remember that.
But you remember the guy on the road?
Hold on, when we stop and ask me if I right place for them.
Look how your place nice. And he might discourage you from come over here.
Let me tell you, man, I say sometimes some people have low life. And you see, through them, see we span a high life now.
Go to sleep, rock my baby. Da da dee da da.
I'm saying we have money, you know. But through them, sleep on a high life, they don't want we to go enjoy ourselves. So they might discourage.
Man, I own him be.
I don't know my wine, but I know when we reach a Blue Crane Escape.
me find him little bit off. Me don't know why. Because
Creepy.
me don't know, he feel creepy to me.
Yeah, come out
And then
talk
he
about blood. What you talk?
mask and he why in a full black?
I'm fi funeral them go.
Halloween. How much we now?
July.
July winner.
But me not lie, the place
It's so nice,
Nice.
luxurious. Me love your money nice, me not tell no lie.
And my man should have there.
I that with you. Before you say you pity them for
But
there.
he said, but him man already and him a say it again. I'm like, how much time you go say it?
No, you should have there for me get for broke the bed there. So, me
See, I want
say.
make
Okay, I'm pay your feet.
So that with you.
Joe never mind.
Marika,
Marika?
that.
Oh, most Marika. Hurry up.
American, no?
Marika. Oh,
Pleasant afternoon.
afternoon again.
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're fine. Come inside, man. Inside.
I'm just checking to see if you guys okay.
We're fine.
Tia, right? Yeah. Nice to meet you again. You're so beautiful. Oh, Alia, you're
Yeah.
so nice. I like your high. Yeah, Mr. Sir. So you guys like the place? The room, the AC, the pool.
We love it. Oh, I don't check around the pool I say, but we love it.
Oh,
We
it's-
love the room so
The
far.
rooms are okay.
It's amazing. It's so beautiful.
Remind me your name again?
Okay, madam, my name is Omar, our coloring book, aka Chap Chap. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Sir,
Okay,
that laugh is your laugh?
No, it's not mine. I stole it. A movie. It named Beauty and the Bees.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, Omar.
Yes,
our
ma'am.
coloring book.
Yes,
Here's
ma'am.
a raw scent from you coming here, like you smell raw, and then it mixed with chemical. What's that about? New cologne or something?
Was me. Who does that? I'm just kidding. I'm the grounds guy that clean up the place. Spray up the bathroom, chemical.
Oh, I know you own the place.
No, it's not me.
Okay.
I'm sorry. The boss get an important meeting. Yeah, I'm going to Kingston and from Kingston to Portland, from Portland to St. Thomas. So I'm gone away for the weekend. So I'm gonna take care of you guys, take care of the place, and make sure you guys okay. That's okay?
Well, as long as I enjoy my weekend, that's fine with me.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so
Yes, madam.
why you wear the mask? What the mask for?
Oh, the mask. Well, we have a dog named Bruno. Bruno, rest in peace. R.I.P. Boy, Bruno was a very, very, very nice dog. And me tell Bruno if you go down there, no, a big man ball game, but he still go down there. Bruno go down there, and the neighbor dog them bite him up, bite up him foot, him bottom, him teeth, him head. And we have him and bring him to the vet. But the vet is far away on the weekend. So me I try to take care of Bruno, spray him up. But by the end of the day, Bruno couldn't make it. I never want him to suffer.
So sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry.
My
I'm so-
condolences go see your
Yeah.
dog.
Thank
One
you.
question.
Yes, sir. But before you talk, 1 minute, please.
No problem.
Bruno, me have to just take out Bruno. Couldn't make him suffer.
Like, what you mean?
Me just chop him up. Couldn't make him suffer. He haunt me day and night. Yes, sir.
Just one question. Is my friend Marika good?
Oh, Marika, that nice, wonderful, cute. To be honest, from I bring Marika inside the room, I don't go to check back on him. But when I bring him in the room, the phone was ringing quite a lot.
Oh, that was her boyfriend, Kemar, also called Public.
Okay.
Public is that called.
He will be here soon. He will be here soon.
Oh, that is so wonderful. More guests at the party. The party is amazing. The weekend, it's going to be
By the
amazing.
way,
Yes, ma'am.
coming in, I don't see no guests around the place. Like,
Oh, the Blue Crane Escape. Guests coming in and leaving. The place is so busy.
Oh, so they are out like eating and so
People are
off.
eating, enjoying themselves to coming back to check out and
That's
checking in.
understandable.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember we did have a settlement over the phone about how much you should be receiving. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
give him more extra
This is for taking care
You
of
sure
our
it's
friend.
okay?
It's
Yeah.
very
If it's
okay.
okay with you, it's okay with me.
Yeah.
Thank you
took
so
very
much.
good care of our friends. So.
Thank you. Anything you guys need, just call me.
Yeah, okay, okay.
One more thing. I'm gonna take care of some business.
Okay, no problem, no
Yeah.
problem. Yeah.
Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da. They are so nice.
Ain't creepy.
I'm okay. As long as me enjoy my weekend, it's fine with me.
One thing, like
Da da dee da da.
you know, say Marika can get some rest up still, like through she's car sick, can't bother the long journey. But she good though, like we don't have to check on her, we can just
No, alright. Me not think so we bother her tonight. Me think say we just make sure rest up tonight and check her either Friday night or tomorrow morning because remember she's tired, you know, and she have the car sick business. So she go there sleep and we go wake her
at
up.
two
That
time.
not
Marika
good.
vomit when we are forward on the journey, you know.
Exactly. So
You know, say guys, no disrespect, but you know, say literally me feel like something going between America and public different from
have
the
to
whole
go on.
sack car sick.
Because remember
exactly.
say Marika saying I car say Kemar never want him come around here public. So
She's
why
stressed,
would
me
Kemar
tell
would
you.
want him come around here? She never tell you a reason.
That's why me I tell you, me not think so if we trouble her. Tomorrow we get we liquor, we drink, we party, we turn on the
We gotta
music and we
enjoy
all behave.
yourself.
So tomorrow we go fair,
so
man.
we just
You
feel
know?
sorry for you night because I just read this so she there, she good.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, make we enjoy for
And if I
ourselves.
not, she will call you and you know.
Exactly.
So,
I'm gonna call my daughter.
alright, so me I go in my room in the meantime.
No
Alright.
problem.
Call me if anything.
Alright.
Me I go
Alright.
fix up my luxury in my room to you.
Alright, alright.
Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da. Da da dee da da.
Tia. Alia. Puppy.
One down. Few more to go. 1,999.
Yes, my dear. This is Yeah, ready to start with dear. Look what I dirty foot then wake up, you know. What's here? I can't feel Puppy than asleep. Puppy. 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 Alright, you stay and go and check. Try go and check panty. Hello. Oh, I know see you up, man.
Girl. Wake up and beard and...
Me too, girl. Me too.
You ever realize we're gonna have bathroom? We see bathroom with...
Yes. Ready for pass, you know. I'm ready for go pool and so off. Morning start. Although just 6 o'clock.
Well, you're not easy, you know? You're literally not easy, you know, woman?
Girl, you know how long me I work? Me not take a vacation, so me get 1 week now. I shall cook it.
You must say a weekend. You plan to stay a week?
You have to understand. You mean a 1 week? Me take off of work, so I go home and spend a good time with a piece of man. You know it go already. Me need girl. Where they are?
Anyways, girl, we need to... Girl, enjoy very much.
Just turn on something. Just turn on something. Play something for your phone, man. Hurry up. Ready now? Yeah. Yeah.
You know we can't dance.
Girl, turn on and do something, man. Do something. Yeah. Yeah. Wait.
Oh, go on.
Puppy, walk on. Wake up.
Stop.
What's up? I went to she gets so boring.
What's up? Why? Where you go? Money. Oh, my heart, me not like.
How no come wake me up, you know? Oh, God. Hey, me I tell you, say, me like your life. The life how we are live is so beautiful. Like, we come and enjoy ourselves.
Why?
Hold on. I say time early.
Yeah.
6:01.
Some time early.
In backside. So hold on. When did I hear from America?
Oh no, you know, but the time early, America would just
Martha really wake early still.
Yeah, that's true. So she can check when we wake up.
Why is she tired? Tired,
Mama
man.
say, girl, I work on this something, you know.
True. And she is not an early riser for true as I want to say.
One day public come last night and we don't know making you
You have a pint.
Him are public we come out say, you know.
Ain't sneaky, you know?
They sneaky.
But when she wake, she come check we are with us. Yeah, look more time and go check her.
I want to come more time and then we go on.
Jesus, be a call me. Hold on there. Me so come there, yeah?
Ozzy, I call you.
Yes, babe. Huh?
What I want to ask you though, like, I'm sorry about the breakup with you and your ex though, because you say like, he might cheat and stuff like. Tell me more about it. I don't want to talk about it.
You know, so to tell you the honest truth, I don't really want to talk about it though, but it's what it is. You understand? About 5 years now, you know, me and him together.
5 years? That's so long and you really mess up.
It's what it is.
Well, you know, people come and people go. So we can't really fret ourselves and try to stress ourselves over people and not stress ourselves over we. You know, face it?
But I really want to talk about him right now. You understand?
So we want to talk about.
That with you know. I'm here there, so, right?
You know, I say, we normally do when we go to high school and it's like,
Yeah,
I feel like you want that to catch back, you know. Tell me now, man. Me know you want it.
Fire to easy for kids.
Why you make me alone sleep in the hall last night?
Well,
You could have called me if you come sleep with you. And
every
what
time
they
I open the
gone.
door and look, you're fast asleep. So tonight, just come
I have to
right
wait
in.
for him tonight.
So when you want to wait for now?
Yeah, Ali, I can talk to him boyfriend, so why not use the time right now?
No,
Let me lock the door. You ready?
Baby, how everything? Yeah, you know, stay over here Over here nice, me not lie. They have a pool, we have room, kitchen with hall and everything over here really nice. Yeah, I want to thanks again for giving me a privilege and for stay with the kids them so I can come on this weekend like I'm really need it because you know so work there stress me. Well, not necessarily, you know, it's just me, Puppy and Tia and Marika they get to come. And public supposed to come that a Kemar, that a Marika boyfriend. Because Tibby and Chelsea not get to come because of work. Yeah, but otherwise sound out good. Right now we there enjoy ourselves liquor and then we go look something to eat and then we maybe go a pool and so off. Yeah, be good man, just and thanks for trust me as me say. My good man. Let me talk to my beautiful kids. What Nyla, baby? Nyla, just remember say mommy love you, okay? And also tell Kevin say I love him too. Just tell him when you wake up, because I know you're not going to wake so early. Just tell him say mommy love him, okay? Alright. Love you, B. Okay. Alright. I'm so glad to see me here from my kids. Why Monday morning, bright and early this weekend are over. School again. Oh, so I enjoy most.
Puppy, stop. Puppy, stop.
Alia, put it
Oh, fire tick easy, Pikachu.
You don't put on the clothes.
Why? I can't bother no. No, so it's a weekend of festive, right?
Alia.
Oh God, no,
What you laugh for?
no, all fire tick easy, Pikachu.
Not
Nah,
so sad,
lie.
not like that, man.
Your friend here, come here. Whoa. You alright?
I make Alia exaggerate.
Woo!
How Alia talk to you now?
No, all fire tick easy, Pikachu here.
We just did in there talk. Nothing serious, we just that talk.
Una try to take me for
But we
idiot.
pass.
Me idiot. You think for we I got college, me know say 200 day now. And I try hide it. And see that the old fire tick catch back again.
You know what we need to go catch right now? Need to go know if Marika wake up. As I say,
Oh, yeah.
Kemar must goodly over there.
True,
Make she not come out take lockdown.
That's true, man. Tell her what. You go check if Marika wake up and bring her on the pool. Me and Tia go on the pool, yeah?
No problem.
Yeah. Puppy, stop.
You don't see. You have to
Oh,
stop.
there you go. Alia, come.
You know what I'm saying? Easy to Alia.
Why? Watch out.
Treasure you. Chop. Mr. Groundsman. Some man me a call him and this man they know where to be found. Me not just want to go pull Marika them door so and public in there with her.
What's up, boy?
Jesus Christ. Me general me can't move so scary.
You was calling me, right?
Yeah, me that call me general because Marika. We have
your
in room
friend.
3. Yeah man, my friend.
Room 3.
Yeah man, me want to go check her. But me wonder if you see her for a morning, me not just want to pull the door and she and her boyfriend in there, you understand?
The last time that we talked, and I told her that I'm gonna take care of some business. No, I didn't see her and I didn't go check back on her. So I don't see her from morning. Maybe she's still sleeping.
Well, she kinda wait late still. She kinda look asleep.
You're smart. You know your friend. Come like she like to sleep. When she sleep, she sleep for the whole day.
So I wish for to appear from a while ago, sorry, because me for this I call you, I not hear, me look this and I not see you.
I was right here.
Right here?
Maybe because
You're invisible?
No, sir. Maybe because your friend and you're stressed out and everything, you didn't saw me. But I tell you what.
Good thing your name, but they not fi harm me.
So what about your next friend? Them alright? Them okay? Them enjoy themselves?
Yeah.
You guys don't check out the pool as yet?
they are at the pool right now at this moment.
my
That's why
God,
we
that
want
is
to get
so
to Marika
wonderful.
so we can bring Marika to the pool.
Yeah, and you guys supposed to, when you guys finish at the pool, you can check out in the town. You have Winners, you have Corner Bar, there's so much nice
Oh,
place.
Popeyes.
Popeye, you see all the Burger King. Oh my God, it's so wonderful.
Yeah, I always eat Burger King in Sab, but I never eat Burger King
and
in Negril.
the party place, Aman's.
Oh yes, I saw it when I was passing in
Mothers,
town.
oh Lataya, oh my God, it was amazing.
Wow.
Right at Beauty 21, that guy that sell the fruit, the banana, the mango, it's amazing. It's very amazing. The 7 Mile Beach, it's so wonderful.
I'm gonna check it, man. That's why I want to connect with Marika.
Oh, so I'm here just looking after some washing machine. You want to help me?
No, I'm so okay. I want to find out if my friend is okay.
Sorry that you cannot help me because the washing machine is so very heavy. I would really like if you could help me.
Well, sometimes they said you need to help people in life, but that's work is your work. So I come here to spend the weekend, so I want to enjoy the weekend.
Alright, so have a nice day.
No problem.
So you're gonna check at
Marika right now.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Marika! Marika! I don't understand why it's so dark. If public didn't know, the door would have left open, so the door would have locked. And it's so dark. I don't understand this. No, sir. Okay. Oh. Marika? I like the bathroom night. Marika? What that? I will pull the door. Backside, Marika na yun. Marika? Marika na yun ito. Marika could have gone. Jesus Christ. My backside. Let me lock off this light a while ago. I mean, it lock the door. Jesus Christ. My head must run to backside. How go on?
No man, we puppy done this so long. Like, look how long we run this child. Girl, no bother with it. Don't bother with it. So we come run and say you jeer me about puppy done, you know. Stop it, man.
Alright. I'm going to water and never take too long.
Me I wonder if I close Marika put on her something make she take so long.
When
Or
Tia! Alia!
What happened?
what happened, puppy?
Jesus Christ.
What Marika there?
Listen, I go in a room and from I go in a room, it door lock. It door notch, lock. So when I go in a place, me I say, how me go in a place freely so? If public the day I door the lock, first thing when I go in there no light no in a place, me have to turn on light. When me reach on to Marika room, me no see Marika in her bed. Me look on that bed, me no see Marika on that bed. Me looking at the closet, me no see Marika in the closet. Me no see Marika in the bathroom.
Slow down, you go too fast. So America in a room.
Me I wonder if he gone with public, but here and now, no, some little scary things are going. When me I come back out, me did lock the door and me did turn on the kitchen light. When me reach back in the kitchen, cause the kitchen and the living room together, me no see, me did the light off, and me did turn on the light.
Yeah, check
And when me come back out, me I see the door open, and me did lock the door. Before me go to Marika, go look for Marika, me ask the groundsman, chop. And chop I tell me say him not see Marika. From him give her the room, he no go deal back with her.
No man, this is strange. But if Marika
Go up on the front page.
If Marika go with public, she'd have to tell
So now
me.
call her.
Me a try reach out to
What,
her.
voicemail? Voicemail? What? Talk to me, Tia.
Oh
What?
God. Wait, me try one more time.
Just
Wait.
Wait, no panic.
Me
Alright,
nah
wait.
panic, but if Marika gone, Marika should just leave a message or call we. Voicemail. Jesus Christ, come on, now go on the phone. Come, we need to ask the grounds, man. Something. Come no, Tia. Come on, no. Come out, I water, no, Tia, man. Come no, Tia. I see you something this and man. We come to spend the weekend. I want to know a friend gone for the weekend. Come on, no.
Oh God,
Yo,
Marika.
come in front. Come.
Go on.
Tia, me tell us if you come up front. Go on the front, no, man. Tell us if some little creepy things are going on. No, sir.
What happened?
When me and left me lock this a door here, and me turn off the light.
Turn off. The light turn off already.
It's me like chat foolish. Me turn on the light when me and left. Man. Who make them Sunday?
You see a teeny wally or
And a peony wally that a different type of sound that. Come on, go. You see, me tell you say somebody a play, you know. Yo.
me as a teeny
Come
wally
now, go look at some come back out, man.
morning, no.
You see what me a try to tell you now again? Me know me a no eat that, you know, me turn on the... Hey! When me a left, me turn off the blast.
Man, calm down.
I don't even know, you know, man, because me know when me a left is a light and ain't off, you know.
So when Marika could have done?
You don't hear that? You don't hear that? What, you know, she not under the door. We not even suitcase.
Me nah bust my brain, me go find chop. Me can't.
Eh? You sound like a right eye back door, so. You see nobody. We still are hearing knives. Come on, girl. Oh, chop up. Come, man. Chop need to know how go.
Coloring book. Chop. Why man there? Hello.
Chop. Mr. Groundsman.
Omar.
Coming.
Come now.
I'm coming.
Who just left?
What's the problem? Calm down. I was just in a watch JSO and Freddy Cougar. What's the problem?
But me come like a in a movie, me there cause you're scared. You're scary. Yes, now fine for you.
Omar.
What's the problem? What's wrong?
Something alright with the place here.
What's
Talk
the problem?
to
You're scaring me. What's the
Listen what I
problem?
want now. Remember you did tell me say, you know see Marika from morning.
Yes, I
and
remember
when
that
we
time.
go, me and Alia and me and Tia, we go in the room. Before we go in the room, before
You
me
go
and them go in
inside
the
our room?
Yeah, before we go in the room, remember me left first and tell us me I go in
Yes,
there.
you're gonna check if
So when me
she's
go in
okay.
the room, me see all some light a lock off and me dey turn them on. Me see some little scary things are going on.
Calm down.
Some things are dropping in that place. We go back in there a while ago, she not in there.
The light, because the switch is going out and coming in when the rain fall. That guy, it called him from week before last. He said, come and check the breaker. That's why the switch going out and coming in. What's the next problem?
We can't find with friend another type problem. That's the biggest problem we have.
Alright,
I'm gonna
listen.
get irritated now, man.
Listen. You guys telling me that maybe she gone back home to her boyfriend. What's his boyfriend name?
Kemar.
Right.
Are they calling public?
Public. Maybe him gone back home to public. You guys cannot run up on a blood pressure and stress out on yourself. You guys too young. You guys too young for this.
Omar.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
see our friend,
Yeah.
if she go with her man, she'd at least have a decency if it takes
But Omar,
we.
remember say they tell me say she gone, you know see her from morning, you know. Remember you tell me say you know see her from morning.
Maybe it slipped me. I didn't remember to tell you guys that
Marika.
public.
Oh.
Yeah, Kamar. Yeah, I see a van drive out. So maybe Public and Marika drive out. I didn't remember tell you guys that.
You mean Ben remember fit with that? That the information you're supposed to remember. Foolish attack, man. Foolish. Now tell me to calm now, done.
Who does
My
that?
friend
Calm
Miss
down.
we can't find her and then I'll be a creepy nice in that place. Listen to me, man.
Listen, if your friend miss you for 24 hours, me and you, both of us, we can go at the station and make a report and see what is what. Maybe him just went away, him on Public.
But you tell me earlier, so you never see her. Then now you tell me different
I
something.
didn't remember. Now that I remember, I say they leave. Maybe them just gone to clap and just
Listen,
build back a band.
you don't need to check your apartment.
Alright, tell you guys what.
Let's
Let's we guys go inside and make a look.
Why you? Now go in there, no? Me now move for you, so tight, this a creepy. Oh.
You wanna go inside?
No.
Alright, you are going on now. I'm a man in, and a man must act like man. Alright, now this is a mash up a weekend. Me
Just a minute,
go
please.
inside.
Sorry. Please do not go inside. My Bruno, my dog that passed away, him belongings, everything inside. I don't want no one violate.
Bruno, that way?
Bruno.
So you never say you bury Bruno?
Yes. Bury Bruno. That is Bruno. Home before him passed away, before him died, before me chop him up. Alright, come on.
No, Tia, something not right here, so. Something fishy around here. You know, see how the man a behave?
I realize,
Why we not go in there, so? Why? Me, what, you want to go look?
no.
You talk what you know? Me, I go look. Yeah, just look at him, come.
Aliyah.
Just look at him, come, no, you hear that? Just look at him, come, hold on.
Aliyah, too hard.
You talk what you know, just look at him, come. Why not this, yeah? Jesus Christ!
Our Bruno remainings.
Come this way. Come this way.
Chop, sir.
Yes.
I one thing we never did check in, sir. This
Yes.
is about you, man.
No. This bathroom, the guest was in, from yesterday.
The guest did check out before Marika.
Right, the guest will check out before Marika. He bung up the bathroom. I didn't remember to tell you guys. I'm waiting on the plumber.
So where's that guest, sir?
To tell you the honest truth, that guest have a very, very important funeral to
Wow.
attend.
Seems like him have a bad weekend.
Him have a bad weekend. I don't think him gonna come back. But anyhow.
Alright, so when you need to tell Marika,
Alright, come this side.
the bathroom and
Come this side. But the bed straighten up. Take a look. The bed very straighten up.
Something is a thing like a dead dog, girl. You know when I cut up a cabbage and pull on the water and stay for your 3 days, think around that. Yeah, tell her.
So,
You want to
man
look?
creepy. Me not go in there.
Now girl, in the thing for true.
Yeah, but I know.
The bed good, man. The bed good.
Yeah, man, your bed spread up like him spread up your bed.
But Mr. Sorry, I have ironing board with the pad cover. Wow. What another time? America time.
You okay?
Chop.
You see a lizard or a rat?
No. Are you missy?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just checking also like how you checking.
Like, I want to see her back. We can...
Yeah, man. Can go that way.
Is that sir?
Yes, sir.
I blood this, Mr. Sir.
What you talking
blood,
about?
man. This is something else, man.
Oh, shit. My apology. The guy that check out, him and him lady.
Oh, they want to have funeral.
Yeah, we have funeral. Him and him lady, maybe having KFC and maybe just pray and went.
He catch up?
He catch up, yeah.
Oh,
It's ketchup.
Okay, alright, Mr. Sir. Go back yourself.
Yeah,
I'll tell Alea them about Marika. What theory?
See her go in her room, girl, lay down. She said she head hurt her and she had try to call Marika again.
Alright, no problem.
Sorry. Could have sure when I was going inside, me put the chair at the door. Maybe I need to put it at the door.
Sir, sometime
No,
we have
alright, you
amnesia,
said-
you know. Sometimes we have amnesia, sir.
Alright, there said the day
Sometimes
no
we feel like we
movie.
put
It's
something
okay,
in one
it's
place
okay.
and you know did it.
Right. Maybe I think I.
But Mr. Sir, what you say we go do about America
Alright,
now because
listen.
really and truly me can't get to a friend, you know.
Listen, I tell you guys what. You're here for the weekend, right?
Yeah, boy, we can have boil long now.
I'm gonna take off 50%.
50%.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you back 50%
I money.
of the money. So listen, you are not sure that Marika, right?
Right.
Yeah, you have to sure if Marika gone back home to
Public.
public.
But we are calling public and not getting public. That's the big fact.
Maybe the phone is out of reach. Me and you guys cannot go to the station and call the police. We have to have exhibit 1 or exhibit 2 to can give the police information that your friend is missing.
The best thing we do, better we just go back in our room
Right.
and try get in
Just
touch with
right.
public or see if we can get
So
to
just go
America.
inside.
Kind of make sense. We have search and
Calm
shit
down on the brain, drink some ice water, I think, and just call and see if him is okay, right?
Okay,
Alright,
okay.
Mr. Chop, sir.
Tomorrow morning, me personal call the police or bring you guys back.
No, me have a vehicle. Me can bring myself and if you drive behind away if you want to do that.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
And Mr. Chop, sir, if she and public come back, just tell her so we there look for her and we are afraid.
As me see her, we call you guys.
Alright, Mr. Chop, sir.
Enjoy yourself.
I tell you guys what, some extra champagne is in the fridge. It's on the house.
Yes, sir.
Have a nice day.
You want a champagne for him?
What happened? What
And
they
the
say about
worst
America?
weekend this year. We come and have a good weekend and this stuff mash up the weekend, you would. We
What
don't
you
hear
say
nothing
about
good we
my-
want to hear. He might not tell we say, if we don't hear from America for the rest of the night and in the morning, he may bring we a station. Me say, no, me have a vehicle. Me bring myself, because if you want to follow back away in a few vehicle, you can.
Listen to me here. You find day one me come here, so me tell you, so me don't like how the man behave. The man behave
We
creepy.
still come here.
Listen to me. You know, remember one time the young youth always stop and ask if I over here so the blue crane estate there. In there one way. I remember one time public and one Marika.
Oh, and that America they say,
Yes, public and one him say.
yo,
he hears
you know
over here
me
this
feel like
over
best
here
thing. You know say them and they move too creepy if it's sure me not like when I move. Eh? You know so me feel like me need to go back out there and go talk to him and tell him so me not like when I move.
No, just make it sure we stick together.
Alright, come
But
back,
no,
America.
this a rest for my brain. All the man will pass out that road. Look how the man did that one, the man did that plead to me. The man did that say people disappear when they come over here.
And then can't find back. You know what say, are you do? Are you in?
What me do?
Or are you? Are you? Because when you hear someone if you come here, you still come
Are
here.
you
Are you a
driver?
drive? Are you a drive?
Alright,
I'm not about
listen.
to wall out with blame. Cause me tell the man saying chat too much. I made this happen. Right now, more I go home to be picking them.
Calm, Marika.
You know, say, we to be blamed for real. Look how we there enjoy ourselves. We're not even gonna check for our friend.
They tell you no from start, you know, on the name that listen not talk about check tomorrow. You know.
Remember,
Just
cause
calm,
she
calm,
never
calm,
feel.
calm, calm,
Here,
calm.
here. Make we not make this mash up with time, with friendship and everything. Let me
Mash up
call
your
Call
her.
her
weekend.
again.
Mash up your weekend. Tell me, mash up
Oh,
your
Father
weekend.
God, may I beg you, please protect Marika. Please, may I beg you.
God, it
Vice
comes
mail.
straight up as me.
I want to camera phone, I want to public phone.
Come on.
Yeah, try him, cause as you see, we call back, you know.
Come on.
Oh, America could I do? Where camera could I do? Father God, please make them show, Father God. We have a bad weekend, Father God. Help you out,
You
please.
should have listened.
Funny number.
Chacha, you.
So me get him on me say,
Wait, do it a ring?
it a ring.
Answer.
Hello?
You answer?
Hello?
Hello? Kemar? Yeah, man, we there and we are check for Marika and we can't find Marika none at all. Marika, they want me there?
No?
Jesus Christ! You sure you hear me say a while ago, Father Kemar?
Oh God.
Father, me not see her for a morning, Father,
We
because
not
when
see
we come here, she
Marika
never feel good.
Now we let her have yesterday.
She not feel good and over. May I say we not see her from yesterday and we reach her Airbnb, the Blueprint Escape. She go in her room, can lie down because she not feel good. But from that, we not see her again. We not know where she there. We are look for her in her room, we not see her. How long before you reach? How long before you reach? Actually, you're angry, Father. Just hurry up and forward. Hurry up and forward.
Jesus Christ, Marika.
Me tell you something. I have to chat to this man.
Puppy.
When I tell me say no.
Don't tell what if I lie no go.
When I tell me say no, I came on and no market.
Puppy no go.
Puppy, please. Please, puppy.
Jesus Christ. You know go there. Want
Ali,
go home to be pitney them.
Where Marika could have there?
Oh God. We can't go. Me like that. Me are coming in your room. Me are coming in your room. Lock it door.
General, beg you a minute there, please.
Yeah.
This a female, I'm my best friend, Marika she name. You don't see her now across the place, sir.
No, sir, you know, sir, me not see her though.
Hold on there. Then no you me did sit down your road, me general, other day you know that drive coming in our lane.
Yeah, I mean, you see, man. What happened now? What happened?
Yeah, me I look for my friend right now, I can't find her. My friend miss it up back. You don't see her now about the place.
You don't see her know about the place. But look how I want and tell himself it don't go over there. Look how much people are missing over here, so.
She gone, me
Where
general,
me
I
another
don't
time?
know where she gone, me just want to know where she there right now. So where you asking me, father?
Me want to know. Me want to other day you never take my advice. Take my advice now. You see, if you want to survive, you and your friend them were left. You just take on things them and go on, or else none of you not go left. That's my advice.
Father God, please, Father God, please, just show me a sign, Father God. Marika gone, I don't know what's about Marika. Father God, just make Marika pop up. General, oh, the backside. How a man me just talk to a while ago? A man doesn't know weapon this a stretcher. I know him that day. No, I know him. Yo, me have to go talk to this man over here saying a youth. Where this man here go jump? Where am I do? Where am I pull? The backside. This man look like a wicked, you know. Come on, flip with this and why not? What the? Jesus Christ, you would. Outside. What is that there, sir? Jesus Christ. Why am I carrying out this new thing, sir, man? Oh, sir. Jesus Christ, see? Father God, someone that look so creepy. Someone that look like he do something to my friend. Puppy Dan, you ready? Ready, Puppy Dan? We have this. Today. We ain't gone.
What a tirajijum.
Yo, I tell you, Mother Road, Gather Road did mad. Weekend it sir. Remember when we reach the end of the movie, big up on yourself to reach this far. Although if you never make it, a Mother Road, Gather Road, next year you no make it. You understand? Big up on yourself. And remember to like, share and comment upon the movie. Big up.